Report Cards Grades Primary to 6, 2018-2019. This presentation will focus on what you will see in Primary to 6 report cards this year. What is the purpose of a report card? A report card communicates the current level of a student's achievement to parents, guardians, and students. Over the years, parents have provided valuable input into what they hope to see in their child's report cards. This includes personal and meaningful feedback about how their child is doing in school, what areas they need to work on, and ways to help support at home and school. What are the parts of a report card? Report cards in Nova Scotia have the following sections. The demographic section contains student's name, ID number, address, school, principal's name, and teacher's name. The attendance section, for primary to 6, we report the number of days absent each month. The learner profile reports on the social skills, behaviors, and work habits that are important to be a successful learner. Grades 1 to 6 learner profile is reported with a developmental scale and a teacher comment. The subject area reporting is determined by grade level, and while all subjects are taught, they may not all appear on the elementary report card template. Comments. What can you expect to read? You will read comments that focus on your child and their progress and current level of achievement, talk about your child's strengths and areas for improvement, talk about their successes in some of the other subjects, and suggest ways to help learning at home and/or school. In primary to grade 3 for 2018-2019, primary report cards remain the same format for this year. Grades 1 to 3 will use the developmental scale for reporting in each term. All subjects are taught and assessed in primary to 3. These subjects are information communication technology, health, visual arts, science, and social studies, but they do not appear on the report card template. Teachers will comment on skills and/or concepts from those subject areas as applicable in integrated language arts and/or in integrated mathematics. Parents will also note that comments and achievement for music and physical education will be reported on in terms 2 and 3. In grades 4 to 6 for 2018-2019, there have been some updates to report cards in grades 4 to 6 for this school year. All 4 to 6 subjects are taught and assessed, but they do not appear on the report card template. These subjects are information communication technology, health, visual arts, science, and social studies. Teachers will comment on these subject areas as applicable in language arts and/or in mathematics. Parents will also note that comments and achievement for music, physical education, and core French will be reported on in terms 2 and 3. The results of the grade 4 to 6 survey of teachers, comments and responses, and direct feedback to council members in their regions informed the recommendations that the council to improve classroom conditions made in relation to report cards. Specialist teachers expressed that with more time and interaction with students, they could write meaningful comments and reporting would better reflect student achievement. In parent surveys, parents have also expressed that they would like to have comments in these subjects reflect their child and their progress in that subject in language that is easily understood. Reporting scale. Developmental Scale P to 6. As noted in previous slides, the reporting scales help parents to know how their child is doing in relation to the concepts and skills that are taught. The developmental scale describes the development of these concepts and skills: well developed, developing as expected, needs development, and insufficient evidence. Reporting scale, letter grade scale. In grades 4 to 6, in terms 2 and 3, the letter grade scale is used to report student achievement. The most important part of the scale is the descriptor that accompanies it, as it describes the depth or the level of understanding and application of learning. Communication. Report cards are one way of communicating to parents and guardians. For more information on other opportunities and ways to contact your teachers in your child's school, refer to the school and teacher communication plan shared at the beginning of each school year. Further information. Parents are encouraged to be active participants in their child's education. If you have questions, please be sure to contact your child's teacher or the school principal. For report card templates at each grade level, and for additional information on reporting, please see the in-school website.